Check this out, this is the brand new 18-volt stick vac from Makita. Now, this vac uses cyclonic filtration like your fancy home vac, and that's the biggest, most notable change from the previous model where you had to buy the Cyclone separately and add it into your vac hose. On this model, it's built in, and that'll get rid of the bulk of your dust and rubbish before it gets anywhere near the filter. That'll lead to increased performance and efficiency when cleaning. And having that Cyclone built in also makes it better for your larger dust and debris like you have in your workshop or on site. You then empty the debris and the rubbish out of that Cyclone by squeezing the tabs on either side. It's that simple. You can also reinstall it very simply as well. And if any fine dust gets up to the filter and doesn't make its way down to the Cyclone, you just twist it as you do with the other vac to access the filter as well. Control-wise, you got 4 stages of suction up the top, which takes it from 15 watts of power to 100 watts of power. On max, it'll turn over a cubic meter of air every minute, and it's got a max seal suction of 18 kPa. Keeping it at max power, I ran it continuously for 16 minutes with a 6 amp hour LXT battery. Side by side with the previous model, it's just a scotch longer, although that crevicing nozzle which is stored on board is substantially longer than the previous one, which is great for reaching into those nooks and crannies. It's really perfect for the workshop or cleanup after an installation. You can use it around the house and the apartment too. It's available now at your local Sydney Tools store, so make sure you check it out in the Makita aisle or go online to sydneytools.com.au to get the full specs and Australia-wide shipping. And you can hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.